Salubonani, ngiyalamukela njalo ku speakindebele.com, igama lami nguNtando. That's another very big welcome to all of you right here at speakindebele.com. My name is Ntando. Right. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about UMKULU WANAMUHLA, and that's the modern day kitchen. Of course, the word for kitchen in Ndebele is UMKULU. Say it with me, UMKULU. UMKULU. Now, you'll notice a lot of the words that we're going to talk about today sound like their English counterparts, and that's obviously because as our languages grow and our cultures mix, we imbibe and we adopt words from other cultures for objects that didn't exist back in the day. And that's what's happened with the modern day kitchen. So let's get into it. We've got ifiriji, which is the fridge. Ifiriji. Okay. We've also got isitofu. Isitofu is the stove. Now on the stove you can cook, and that's ukupheka. Ukupheka. You can stir or whisk, that's phehla or ukuphehla. Okay. You can knead or mix thoroughly in, and that's ukubonda. Ukubonda. Obviously, these are outside stoves, but in the modern day kitchen, you do it indoors. Okay? To bring to a boil or to boil is vila. Vila. And to dish or to plate the food that you may have prepared is ukuphagulula. Ukuphagulula. All right. What else do we have in our kitchen? We've got itafula, the table, itafula. We've got the chair, of course. One chair is isitulo. Many chairs are isitulo. Okay? Of course, in every kitchen you're going to find food, and that's ukudla. Ukudla. Okay? And a packed lunch is umphago. It's a lunch you would take maybe to work or to school or on a long journey or on a trip. Okay? Umphago. All right. What else do we have in our kitchen? Okay, we've got ikhaboti. Ikhaboti. That's a cupboard, the kitchen cupboard. Got the windows, or the window is iwindi or ifastele. Excuse that typo. Ifastele. All right. The curtain is iketeni. Iketeni. Okay. Now, of course, we've got the sink, isinki. Isinki. And the tap is impompi. Impompi. You got it? Now, when you look down, you're going to get the floor, and that's phansi. Phansi. Very good. Now, different things we do in the kitchen. Washing dishes is ukugezisa imiganu. Ukugezisa imiganu. To clean or scrub the floor, to mop the floor, ukukoroba. Ukukoroba. To sweep is thanyela. The dirt or the garbage you sweep are izivi. Izivi. Okay? And of course, to do that, you use umthanyelo, which is a broom. Umthanyelo. Now, what else do we have in our kitchen? We've got igedlela, which is a kettle. Igedlela. We've got a pot, imbiza. Imbiza. The pan is ipani. Ipani. All right. And we've got our utensils, which umganu is a plate. Umganu. Now, our fork, our knife, and our spoon. A fork is ifolokwe. Ifolokwe. A knife is inqamu. Inqamu. And a spoon is ukezo or isipunu. All right? You got that? Very good. A glass is ingilazi. Ingilazi. And a teacup or any cup at all is inkomicho. Inkomicho. Now, a bowl, a dish, or a basket would be called isitsha. Isitsha. And there you have it. That's our kitchen. UMKULU WANAMUHLA, our modern day kitchen. UMKULU. All right. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson as much as I've enjoyed teaching it. Visit us at speakindebele.com. All right. Or register your free learning account at ndebele101.speakindebele.com. Of course, we want you to come on over and like us, to subscribe to us on our YouTube channel, or friend us on Facebook, because we want to be your friend. All right. Now, that's all from me, Ntando. Salani kuhle. Bye-bye for now. Take care. We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.